Japan is experiencing a severe snowstorm, one of the most intense weather events to hit the country in years. The storm has brought heavy snowfall and a sharp drop in temperatures to several regions. This severe winter storm has directly impacted daily life, particularly in northern Japan, such as Hokkaido, and in parts of central Japan, which have also seen unusually heavy snowfall. The snowstorm has led to the closure of major roads and the suspension of bullet train services, with numerous traffic accidents reported due to icy roads. The blizzard conditions have also caused power outages for thousands of homes, and authorities have warned of the continued impact of the extreme cold wave on infrastructure. In major cities like Tokyo, the storm has caused significant
マルコ、起きなさい。
寒い、眠い、起きたくない、学校休みたい。
起きなさいって言ってるでしょ。
お母さん、頭が痛い。
あんたすぐ頭痛いって言うんだから。
わあ、痛い。
毎朝
Jangan, Wah. Wah, kamu gila.
The capital has experienced rare snowfall, leading to flight cancellations and the disruption of numerous domestic flights. Local and international media outlets are closely monitoring the weather developments in Japan, focusing on the risks posed by the heavy snow and the potential for avalanches in mountainous areas. Meteorologists have confirmed that this powerful snowstorm in Japan is linked to a strong polar air mass, making it one of the most dangerous winter storms in Japan this season. Authorities are urging residents to exercise caution, especially as the Japan snow emergency remains in effect and warnings of further snowfall are issued that could exacerbate the situation. This storm is a clear example of the increasing frequency of extreme weather in Japan and the impact of climate change on the region's winter weather. Please share this video with your friends. Support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all our latest updates. Thank you for watching.